This might be your last warning. Revelation 3:20. Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come into him and eat with him, and he with me. Jesus himself is the one knocking, offering fellowship, restoration, and life. To open the door is to receive Christ by faith, welcoming him as Lord. This verse is both a warning and an invitation. Don't leave Jesus outside, respond to him now, because he alone brings true life and communion with God. Invite him in.